Okay, before I give this a rest for the evening, I think I'm going to pull cards. Now, take this with a huge grain of salt, because what I want to ask is, if Trump gets installed as president, will they be able to kowtow some of his worst instincts? Now, he's already said, this guy coming in, that they are going to get rid of all these immigrants, and they ask him, well, you're going to split up families? No, they all leave together. Okay? We don't care if they're born here. We don't care, I'm going to get rid of them. That's it. I don't care how much money it costs. We don't care. Okay? So will they be able to pull this off? Or will there be some checks and balances be able to be put into place? So let's see what it has to say. So it's about, the actions actually moving forward with it. Okay. Energy coming in, the long-term plan. It's not going real quick. Karma. Okay, the wheel is turning. Challenges, the struggle that's taking place with it, with the outcome of being tied up. Okay. Underneath of it all, being out in the cold, wanting to get to a better place. There will be struggles with this when it comes to them being able to actually take these actions and move on it. Okay. So we've got the cup uncovered, looking at it, and again, judgment will be coming down. Okay. So like I said, take this with really a grain of salt, because usually I don't do more predictive type things, and this would be big if. But with what they're talking about now, again, it's about implementing that plan. But again, the energy is the long-term thing, but it's the wheel is turning. So we may not even get that far. That's what I'm hoping that is. But the challenge is overturning this struggle that's, wanting to tie people up and being out in the cold. When it comes to being able to move this forward to calmer waters, there will be fights, struggles with this when it comes to them being able to hold on to that energy and implement that. Okay. Now, this one, I want to pull a clarification on it, but there will be judgment. So let me pull this one and see what this is about. What is this about? Okay. It's about an agreement. People agreeing. Okay, not liking the harvest. And I think there will be those that are defending, okay, underneath when it comes to this path they want to do, shedding light on it, and secrets to come out about how they're trying to build that, okay? So there's going to be a lot of people against it, fighting against it, etc. I know a lot of the governors and things and attorneys in the other states are already looking at setting up a resistance to what Trump wants to do. So I just wanted to throw the cards and see the potentiality of this. Now, again, take it with a grain of salt, you know, because he's not been installed yet. And this is a what if. What if? What are we looking at? What's a possibility with this? Okay. So on that note, I'll leave that here, and we'll see you online.